In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password in Yahoo Mail on desktop. Let's get started right from your computer. Open your preferred web browser and search for Yahoo Mail. You'll see results pop up right away. Click the official Yahoo Mail link, which typically appears at the top and takes you to the sign-in page. If you already have a Yahoo tab open, you can use that as well. Next, sign into your Yahoo account. Enter your username and your current password to proceed. If Yahoo asks for additional verification, just follow the on-screen prompts to confirm it's really you. Once you're in, you'll land in the new Yahoo Mail view. Now, look to the top right corner of the page. Click your profile name or the circular profile icon. It might show your initials. From the menu that appears, choose Account Info. This opens a new area where you can manage your account settings. In the account settings, find and select the security section. This is where Yahoo keeps all the options related to protecting your account. For safety, Yahoo might ask you to verify your identity again before making changes. If that happens, simply confirm as requested to continue. Within the security area, locate the password option. It may be labeled Password or Change Password. Click that to begin updating your credentials. Yahoo will now prompt you to enter a new password and confirm it. Create a strong, memorable password. Aim for a longer phrase that mixes uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything easy to guess, like names, birthdays, or common words, and don't reuse a password from another site. Typing a passphrase, several random words strung together with numbers or symbols, can make it both secure and easier to remember. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to generate and save a unique password there so you won't have to memorize it. Type your new password in the first field, then retype it exactly the same in the confirmation field. Take a moment to double-check for typos. A mismatch will prevent the change from going through. When you're confident both entries match and meet Yahoo's strength requirements, click Continue. You'll get a confirmation that your password has been updated. From now on, use your new password the next time you sign in. If you're logged in on other devices, you may be asked to sign in again using the new password, which is normal after a change. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Yahoo Mail password on desktop. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your account secure.